All right. All right. Good evening, everyone, and to our dear architects and distinguished guests, a happy advance Merry Christmas to all. I am Architect Kay Octobre, as usual, your host for this evening, and welcome to our tri-part event featuring UAPCDO Bay Area Chapter's 3rd General Membership Meeting, CPD Seminar, and the most awaited annual Christmas Party. So before we start, we would like to acknowledge our ever-supportive sponsors for this event. Kindly stand up po from Holy Light. Let's give them a round of applause. And from Triton Paints. Thank you so much, Madam and Sirs.
Every window closed, a candle, hearts are shining just as bright. World feels warm, love's in the air. Wherever you turn,
Moral objective, that I am accountable to God, to Mother Earth, to my utmost level of integrity, through industrious dedication and meaningful application to my work that merits a next event, fresh from down under. Please help me welcome our chapter president, Architect Jean Demetrio. Hello, good evening, everyone. So straight from the airport. Anyway, hello, welcome everyone. So today is the start of our celebration of our PAFNA ceremony. I now declare this event open and active. Ravi for their product presentation. So once again, let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. Ayan. So, I believe it's not our first time to be at industry party. So, we want to extend our thank you to your chapter for always partnering with us. We are really grateful.
Chapter. Then in Cagayan de Oro, murag murag ang apat ka chapter diri, murag usually naka-present na to or naka-sponsor, naka-collaborate na sila. So
And
sa
it's the
karon,
United Architects of the Philippines CDO Bay Area Certificate of Recognition from the United Architects of the Philippines CDO Bay Area Chapter. A very special guest speaker imported from Nazareth. Our very special guest speaker, the very talented architect and Dr. Romel El Canal, for his topic on the fate of the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program in Cagayan de Oro City and most urban areas in the Philippines.
Your lecture for tonight. Bitaw, anyways, let's start kay nag-request, someone requested in that area to paspaso na lang daw kay ting panihapon. Si Gladys. Again, maayong gabi sa tanan, no? I am here to talk about the fate of the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program in Cagayan de Oro and most parts of the Philippines. Economic dimension, number 2 is social dimension, and the third one is kinsa to? A very intelligent.
children laugh and sing and carols sweet.
Tulo, kaya kung wala ng tulo, it's not sustainable. It is just focused on either the two of those dimensions or one dimension. Pero kung wala na silang tulo na dimension, when we target sustainable transportation, useless siya.
The magic is there. Christmas is everywhere. You can feel it in the night, in the laughter, in the love, in the glow of every light. From the mountains to the sea, it's a song we all can share. Holding close the ones we love.
Yeah, I'm so amazed.
Christmas is everywhere. voice wishing on a star. Cookies baking, fires burning low. It's the sweetest time I know. The bells keep ringing, joy's in the air. Wherever you go, the spirit is there. Christmas is everywhere. You can feel it in the night, in the laughter, in the love, in the glow of every light. From the mountains to the sea, it's a song we all can share. Holding close the ones we love. Christmas is everywhere.
Underneath the mistletoe, we're together, hearts aglow.
No matter where you are tonight, Christmas makes the world
Christmas is everywhere. You can feel it in the night, in the laughter, in the love, in the glow of every light.
From the mountains to the sea, it's a song we all can share. Holding close the ones we love.